Amazon Web Services, or AWS, is a cloud computing platform. It offers many services. One of those services is Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, commonly known as VPC. A VPC is like your own data center in the cloud. You control your virtual network environment, you choose your IP address range, create subnets, and configure route tables and network gateways. This lets you have a secure and isolated environment for your applications. VPCs are fundamental to AWS. They provide network isolation for your resources. You can launch AWS resources like EC2 instances in your VPC. Imagine a VPC as a large building. Within this building, you have different floors representing subnets. You can control which applications reside on which floors and how they communicate with each other. VPC peering lets you connect VPCs. This connection is private. It uses AWS's private network, not the public internet. Think of it as building a secure bridge between your buildings. With VPC peering, resources in different VPCs can talk to each other. This is like allowing residents from different buildings to visit each other without leaving the building complex. They use private IP addresses, ensuring secure and efficient communication. VPC peering is useful for many reasons. It helps you to segment your network. It improves security. It also simplifies network management. VPC peering offers several advantages. These benefits make it a powerful tool for network architects and cloud engineers. Private connectivity. VPC peering lets VPCs communicate privately. Traffic between peered VPCs does not go over the internet. This improves security. Increased security. You control the routing and access control between peered VPCs. This allows for granular security configurations. Simplified network management. You can manage the network as a single entity. This simplifies tasks like routing and troubleshooting. Cost-effective VPC peering uses AWS's internal network. This eliminates data transfer charges between peered VPCs. These benefits make VPC peering a valuable tool for various use cases, from connecting applications across different environments to enabling secure data sharing between departments. VPC peering has several key features. Global reach. You can peer VPCs across different AWS regions. This is called inter-region VPC peering. Cross-account connections. You can peer VPCs in different AWS accounts. This is called cross-account VPC peering. Non-transitive peering is not transitive. This means if VPC A is paired with VPC B and VPC B is paired with VPC C, VPC A cannot communicate with VPC C directly. Bidirectional communication paired VPCs can communicate in both directions. This allows for flexible application architectures. These features make VPC peering a versatile solution for various networking scenarios, allowing you to design complex network architectures with ease.